Good evening. My name is Jamie Hall. I'm an attorney with Channel Law Group. My address is 207 East Broadway, Suite 201 here in Long Beach. I'm here tonight representing three collectives that will be impacted by the new park buffer zone: Natural Herbal Solutions Naples, and One Source Discount Caregivers. I submitted a detailed letter in response laying out the legal and procedural defects with the ordinance, and I trust that you received that. I'll try not to rehash that. Certainly I don't have enough time in 3 minutes to rehash 14 pages. But I would like to highlight some of the issues that I raised, and here they are. Number one, noncompliance with Section 1002 of the City Charter for failing to refer to the City Planning Commission. This is undoubtedly a zoning regulation. It impacts zoning regulations. The City Attorney's own letter clarifies that the collectives will be subject to the city's zoning regulations. It also prohibits this particular use in thousands of areas within this buffer zone. It is a zoning regulation. It has to go to the Planning Commission. This is a procedural defect that cannot be remedied, that must be remedied. Number two, violation of procedural due process by failure to provide a neutral hearing to the collectives that are poised to be eliminated. Number three, spot zoning, and this is a really something I want you to pay close attention to. It's clear from the record that the amendment that was made to exclude beaches was for the benefit of one particular collective, and this presents major problems. The exclusion of beaches serves no public purpose. It's solely for private gain, and it discriminates against the collectives that will be eliminated by the passage of the amended ordinance. There's no evidence in the record to demonstrate that beaches are less impacted in terms of public safety than any other public parks. 7.5 million people visit beaches in the city every year, and only 620,000 people visit the 26 staff parks in the city. I submit to you that there's no evidence that excluding beaches is anything more than spot zoning. Number four, violation of equal protection by unreasonably discriminating against collectives that were successful in the lottery process. The lottery was designed to offer equal opportunity for all applicants, and this fundamentally taints the fairness of that process. Number five, failure to comply with CEQA. There's certainly going to be impacts with regard to this ordinance because it's going to increase the cultivation requirements. And this is something that must be analyzed. You are compelled to analyze this issue. Number six, video surveillance without legal process. And number seven, preemption of criminal penalties. And I'd also like to reiterate that collectives did obtain a vested right as a result of the lottery. Issuance of building permits is not the exclusive means by which a vested right can be established. And finally, on a non-legal note, I would just ask you, as an elected member of the public, to think about the fairness and if whether any other citizen, how a normal citizen, any other citizen would feel if they were treated like this. Thank you very much.
Thank you.